Okay, so we're back on this rooftop. It wouldn't prove, or said it had a limit issue, and me and Mikey are up here, and what we found, this Mike's got, we got a meter over there. Actually, should we be on the other one? Maybe. Hold on. Got a meter over there. Wait. No, I got continuity there. The wires were in the wrong spot. This was on the limit, which I thought was the limit, and this was on the pressure switch. So, Mike, let's get that back door off.
Okay.
So I don't set the smoke detectors off. I think that's the only thing we got going on here. So I was trying to jump out the pressure switch. This, I'm going to put it on the limit. Just hold it with the trap. Slam into me, and it's windy up here again. Slide the door in. Yeah, it's covered.
Those were originally on.
I don't know. These were originally on the limit.
Okay.
Now we'll take this. Oops. Plug this back in here. Plug this back in here. Here, get our little board right there. And I got to figure out where the heck that thing plugs into, because I think it plugs into there. No. Uh-oh. Well, I know I disconnected it from somewhere. Crap. Alright, let me figure out where that board goes. Alright, let's see. Mike's got the door there. So we're gonna see what happens. Oh, look at that. Heating, I got an inducer, I got W1, W2. Oh, I got fire. And we're heating. Alright, shut that. I don't want to.
It stinks.
You know, Mike. Oh, shit. Smoking. You know what? Open that door. I just want to make sure that smoke detector is breathing some fresh air. Oh, we got heat. Like I said, someone's been up here monkeying. I think it was the electrician, but I don't know. Maybe this one doesn't even have a smoke detector, but whatever. All right. Yeah, just leave it off for a second, Mike. All right, we got this one figured out. Wiring issue. We'll get this one back together. Now we got to work on that one up there. We're up here. We're working on this one that's right in the center. And as soon as you turn the, hold on, is the power off? Power's off. As soon as you turn it on, it would trip the breaker, right? So then I'm like, I unplugged my thermostat. Nope, that wasn't it. Smoke detector, that wasn't it. I don't know, I got a hot and common down there, that wasn't it. This wasn't it, the user interface. And then I just started coming out here, and this is all low voltage stuff. And I started coming out here and unplugging this, turning it on, unplugging this, turning it on, and then we got to the compressors. Unplug both of these, flip the switch on, it would stay. Plugged this one back in, it would stay. That was compressor number 2. But then compressor number 1, as soon as you plug that in, it would trip. And what we found is we just opened this door up, and I found these wires. They're laying against this, they're tight against this metal, and they wore through. So I guarantee if I turn it on now, with that plugged in. All right, Mike, turn it on. No trip. So our air conditioning inside was causing a no heat condition because of that switch being right there. So we're gonna fix that wire and get this thing back up and running, but we're gonna take the door off. Okay. Got a W1 call and a G. We got fire. Why is it still sparking? Okay, stop sparking. Fire. Fire, fire. Got the doors off because I don't want to. So I don't know how long this thing hasn't ran for. Whoa, insulation. Jeez, oh Pete. And you know what? None of these economizers are adjusted for, I guess let's try minimum position. Well, let's see if they open up. See if they even work. For a minute, see what it does. But yeah, the air conditioning side caused shorten the whole system out. Well, as you can see, I got back to that one to troubleshoot those last 2 rooftops. Honestly, I don't know what happened with the small one, why those wires were switched. Not sure. So we got those wires switched back, fired right up, not a problem. Now that middle one with the short, it was just process elimination. Start unplugging the stuff from the board and find out where, you know, isolate it down to a few wires. So like I said, we started with the thermostat, smoke detector, and then I started on the upper part, and when we got to the compressors, turned the thing on, and it didn't trip the low voltage breaker on the thermostat, or on the transformer. So that's how we found it. So we plugged one back in. It was no, we plugged 2 back in. 2 was fine. As soon as we plugged 1 back in, compressor 1 for the pressure switches, that's when we found it. I opened up the door and found those 2 black wires resting against that metal, and I just moved the wires away, and I could see the shiny aluminum wire through the jacket. So that's how we found that one. And as soon as we moved that, got that repaired, it worked fine. So that was kind of a pain in the butt, you know. It took me, that was like 3 trips out there. Yeah, 3 trips. First trip to figure out what I needed. Second trip, it was filters and something else. Oh, inducer motor module, fire department, stuff like that. And this trip, I had Mikey with me just to kind of, because we were kind of slow this morning, and we kind of ran through it together. So he learned some stuff on how to troubleshoot, because he's not on rooftops all the time. Neither am I. So now that one is done. Off to the next one, and you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will